Hello everyone, welcome to the next part of the ecommerce development series, and today we are talking about program the product selling history page. Here we can search invoice by its ID like this. Also we can search invoice by date like this. In here we have button to update order status like this. Let's check the coding part. In selling history.php file, here I set onKeyUp function called search invoice ID and set ID like this. In JavaScript file, here we have search invoice ID function, and here I catch input field by ID. Next I create new XML HTTP request and send input field value into search invoice process.php file. In search invoice process.php file, here we catch ID come within get method and assign it to invoice ID variable. Next I search data from invoice table where ID equal to invoice ID. After that, here we check is number rows are equal to 1 and is it true. Using fetch so can get data from it and load them here like this. Next we have 5 buttons for each status value like this, and each button set on click function called change invoice status and send invoice ID with it. In JavaScript file, here we have change invoice status, and I create new XML HTTP request and send ID into change invoice status process.php file. In change invoice process.php file, here I catch invoice ID come within get method and assign into new variable. Next I search data from invoice table and get status from it and create new status variable with value 0. After that, here we catch if status ID equal to the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and everyone has the different update query and echo the value. In JavaScript file, here we check response text value and change the button text and color with these codes. In selling history page, here we give ID to data searching input field, and in the find button I set on click function called find selling like this. In JavaScript file, here we have find selling function and get input fields. Next I create new XML HTTP request and send data into find selling process.php file. In find selling process.php file, here I check two input field and catch data from get method and assign them like this. Next I search data from invoice table and create for loop using number rows value like this. Or if one input field empty and another is filled, we show this design to users. Or if both are empty, we show this design to users. Or two input fields have dates and we show this design to users. In JavaScript file, here we get response text and inner HTML to view area. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.